In this video, we shall be talking about variance and we'll be solving a question on variance. For instance, we are given the PMF here, or the PDF, to be 4x raised to the power of 3, and we'll have a range from 0 to 1. We are asked to find the variance of x. That means this value here. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, we should recall that the variance of x is equal to the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x all squared. So the first thing to do, we'll look for the expectation of x. So we say the expectation of x is equal to the integral. We have our range from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, x multiplied by the PDF, then the x. So this is what we got. So what is our PDF? Our PDF is 4 multiplied by x raised to the power of 3. So we move over to this side. Our expected value of x is equal to the integral from 0 to 1, x multiplied by 4x raised to the power of 3. 4x raised to the power of 3, then dx. This can be written as, we can bring out our constants to be 4 integral from 0 to 1. This multiplied by this will give us x raised to the power of 4 dx. Now we integrate this, which is equal to 4 multiplied by, if we integrate this, we have x raised to the power of 5 all over 5. Then we put our range. Our range is also equal to 4 into, anywhere we see x, we put 1. 1 raised to the power of 5 all over 5 minus 4 into 0 raised to the power of 5 all over 5. Of course, the whole of this is 0. So we have 4 all over 5 minus 0, which is equal to 4 all over 5. It then means that our expectation of x is equal to 4 all over 5. The next thing for me to do is to look for the expected value of x squared. And the expected value of x squared can be written as our integral from 0 to 1. We have our interval here, given x squared multiplied by f of x, then dx. This f of x is our PDF. So it then means that to move over to this other side to write it. So we are asked to look for our variance, and we have our variance to be this. So move over to this other side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we write this, our expectation of x squared is equal to the integral from 0 to 1, x squared. We put our PDF, we have our PDF to be 4x raised to the power of 3 dx. So this 4 can come out to give us 4 integral from 0 to 1, which is our interval. Then this multiplied by this, we have x raised to the power of 5 dx, which is also equal to 4. If we integrate this, we have x raised to the power of 6 all over 6. We put our interval. which is equal to 4 into 1 raised to the power of 6 all over 6 minus 4 into 0 raised to the power of 6 all over 6. This is what we get. It then means we'll have 4 all over 6 minus 0, which is equal to 4 all over 6. Therefore, our expected value of x squared is equal to 4 all over 6. So this is what we get for expected value of x squared. So the next thing to do is to look for our variance. Since we have this 4 over 6 and this is 4 all over 5, which we got, we can now look for our variance. So we move over to this side of the board to look for our variance. So we have our variance, like we have written before, our variance of x to be equal to the expectation of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. So we'll ask ourselves, what did we get as expectation of x, which is this? Expectation of x squared. What did we get? We got 4 all over 5. So we say 4 all over 5. What did we get as expectation of x? Just expectation of x. We got, sorry, this is 4 all over 6. We got our expectation of x squared to be 4 all over 6. And expectation of x to be 4 all over 5. We now put our bracket sign, which is the same thing as 4 all over 6 minus 16 all over 25. So the next thing to do is to find the LCM of 6 and 25. The LCM of 6 and 25 is 150. This divided by this will give us 25. So 25 multiplied by 4 is 100 minus this divided by this will give us 6. 6 multiplied by 16 is 96. So we have this to be equal to 4 all over 150. And 2 here is 2. 2 here is 75. So we have our variance of x to be equal to 2 all over 75. So our variance of x for the given question is 2 all over 75, which is how the variance can be calculated. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We could also recall that our expected value of x is 4 all over 5, while the expected value of x squared is 4 all over 6. So this is how we can work around with the variance.